Hey, Blackout, you ready to record today? Blackout? Blackout. You ready to record?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do your thing.
Okay.
Be funny, make people laugh today. Oh, the pie rat.
Shh. Okay. Hi guys, Okay.
Hurt nose.
I burped loudly. Okay. Hi guys, I am Blackout, and I'm going to be singing for the very first time on a recorded video. And
No, the last video.
I didn't sing.
It's the original song.
This is actually not a song because I'm just going to be singing it from the heart.
Original song.
This one. Stop. Okay, and it's going to be sad. Fly! Okay, it's going to be sad, so let's start.
Yeah, let's start this stuff.
Oh, it's going too fast in the sky. Don't know if it would be alright. But burns and feel now. But don't know if it's good or if it's
You look totally really loud.
Okay. I do that. Make people laugh. Let's finish. That was actually a sneeze. Okay.
What's the funny part about it?
Okay. No.
Just sing. I'm just checking the camera.
Don't know if it's gonna be alright. Passing by.
I'm just checking the camera.
Inside.
Okay.
Don't
Fine.
have the fear to be locked up. Back to sleep. Hope you enjoyed.
Don't end it yet. I'm stuck.
Bye.